What's up, my friends? Coach 𝐸𝐸 and back talking about Facebook attraction marketing. I'm actually having fun sharing these little gems. But in this video, I wanted to talk about a simple formula. If you got a piece of paper or if you need to screenshot this, okay? If you can remember to post one of these four things, you're going to be all right. You're going to have a profile where people feel like you're not always trying to sell, which you need to sell. Don't think I ain't trying to say sell. But people are they're not tuning you out. Okay, so people who just sell, and on their Facebook profile, they're like, join my team. Ain't nobody paying attention to you. They done tuned you out like weeks ago. Okay, but when you post in this format, I'm gonna give some examples. Entertain people. People want to typically be entertained. They like when you post some little funny jokes, something that might be funny to you. It could be a meme, something you found funny throughout your day. Just remember, when sometimes people think too hard about posting, share little, like almost think about your Facebook profile as a mini blog, okay, where you can share things throughout your day, but then maybe at the end of the day you could do a results post and invite people to learn more about your opportunity, or you can post something about your opportunity. Okay, so if you think about it that way, you can incorporate these things into your posting effortlessly. Okay, so the formula is entertain. People want to be entertained. They want to laugh a little bit. People have hard days, right? They want to laugh. Okay, they want to they want some value. So they want to know that if I kind of think this word is overused in the industry, but all that means is that they want to know that if they partner with you, that you can teach or show them something. Okay, and I'm going to go through each of these, so just follow me. Okay, lifestyle. People want to see how you live in lifestyle. A lot of gurus are teaching attraction marketing wrong. And I'm going to just say it, and they're going to be like, I'm teaching them wrong. Yes, you are. When you're encouraging people to go take pictures in front of cars that they can't even afford themselves, or that they ain't going to never buy, right? That's not attraction marketing. Attraction marketing is showing people that, hey, you're just like me. Again, attraction, you're just like me. I'm creating, this lifestyle or this economy or this whatever, and you're just like me. You can come with me. Like, I'll give you an example. When I was teaching, my lifestyle pictures would be me in front of the school. Guess who I attracted? Tons of teachers, right? When I took pictures of me out with mom, I attracted other people who wanted to be able to, afford to spoil their moms, but they were, caught up in so many student loans, they couldn't even take care of themselves, right? So lifestyle is showing people a journey, giving people insight into a journey of where you are, but where you're going, right? Past, present, future. Okay, that's all lifestyle is, giving people a snapshot into your day. Okay, so let's and then results. Okay, results just means that you are showing that people in your company, this does not have to be personal results. You're showing that people in your company are winning. Typically, you're going to show either a testimonial of something in your company, whether it be your own results or your team. Okay, so whatever you're promoting, you need to be showing results, and they don't have to be big results. It doesn't even have to be monetary. It could be, you love your team, and they're so encouraging, and your company is always training and helping people who are beginners to learn how to do this online. Whatever it is, you need to be showing results. Okay, so let's go through a little bit of each one of these. Entertain. What you want to do, again, every once in a while people like to be entertained. So it could be a meme, it could be something you found funny, and it doesn't have to be anything you found online. Again, maybe your kids, like there was this one photo, there was a lady who was a mom, and she took a picture of her daughter who had her baby had ate all this spaghetti, and it was all over the counter. She took a picture and was like, this is my child. And so many people went to her wall and were commenting on it, right? Entertain, okay? Value, a tip. Okay, let's say that you were a credit repair agent, okay? Or you were an affiliate marketer, okay? I actually did a tip today, okay? You could give a quick tip on your wall and say, again, in my previous video, I actually gave a really good example for credit repair, okay? You could go outside and you can take a picture in front of your car and say, did you know that if you have bad credit, you paid for this car 2 times over? And then you could say, you know, the average, you know, whatever you know about credit repair, you know, the average person who has bad credit, they're paying thousands more than the person with good credit. If you want to learn how to get good credit, you know, so you gave them a tip, but you can also give a call to action to encourage them to contact you. If you want to repair your credit, you know, here's my phone number, or message me, or whatever you want to say. Okay. So you could give a tip. If you were an affiliate marketer, you could give a tip for if you had a product related to helping affiliate marketers, you could say, you know, it's important to pick a good mentor. You know, if you're looking for one, right? You know, you don't always have to give a call to action in your post, but I'm just giving you an example. If you wanted to, you could. You could say, here's my number, right? Join my group. You know, something like that. Here's my group link, right? Lifestyle. Every once in a while, you want to post a picture, just simply giving people an insight into who you are as a person and maybe where you're going. Okay. So like lifestyle, if you're a mom and your kids are your everything, people should know that. You should be taking pictures of that. Maybe you cooking for your boo, for your husband, right? Take a picture of that. Be like, we making spaghetti. What you making? Put some emojis in there. Boom. Lifestyle picture done. Right? All them Lamborghinis and cars that people don't even own. All that stuff, right? But, you know, maybe, but I also believe that with the lifestyle photos, if the opportunity has done anything for you at all, you should be showing that visually. So when I got started with my opportunity, one of the things that it would help me do is pay for my groceries in cash and not have to put in a credit card. I took pictures of my steaks that I was buying in my grocery cart and said, you know what? I'm so grateful that this opportunity to pay for all my groceries and I didn't have to put shit back. There you go. I didn't say the word shit, but you know. So that's lifestyle, right? Showing what it's doing for me. You know, when I was able to go on vacations and pay cash and pay for my mama ticket too, I made sure that I took a picture of us out on our 2-week vacations and I showed that lifestyle. Okay. So again, that lifestyle post could also be a results post too. Results are just where you show, again, that other people are winning. So post some testimonials. You know, if you're with a weight loss company, post some before and afters, you know, especially if they're your own. If you're with a credit repair, post some credit repair before and after. If you're with affiliate marketing, post some other people in your company getting results. Okay. And that's that. Okay. So those are the types of posts that will keep your profile engaging, and people are going to pay attention to these results ones because you're also posting these other ones. What I typically say is, you know, you don't have to post all these at the same time. Maybe you do every other day you post one of these. Maybe, you know, maybe you post results 2 to 3 times a week, and then you post a lifestyle picture in between, a value picture, at least a tip at least once a week, and you entertain. Maybe on Sunday you post a funny something. Okay, so that's it. That's a simple formula. You don't got to think too much about this. If you just keep this formula in your head, EVLR, you'll never run out of content. You'll never run out of things to post. Now let's look at, now I want to give you one key point that is really important. If you remember nothing else, stop there, scroll. Okay, so a lot of times when people say, oh, Shin, take a look at what I'm doing, or take a look at my profile, like when they join me and partner with me, and I look at their profiles and I'm like, boo, I'm bored. And they be like, what? I'm like, you have to stop people scroll. Okay, what that means is people are bombarded on Facebook with images, with videos, with everything. And what about your post makes people pay attention? Something about your post has to make them pay attention. I'm going to do a separate video about tools to help you with your posting, but you have to be able to stop their scroll. So let's go over to my Facebook profile and let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I already talked about giving a tip. I gave a boss tip today. It was like not even 2 sentences. I said, join people who have systems in place to give you direction and then go off and execute. Now, here's the thing. Do you think that this is going to stop people scroll? Heck yeah. Actually, let me add this to my story. That's another tip right there. Add every post you got to your Facebook stories. Okay? Because a lot of people pay attention to Facebook stories. So I just gave you a tip right there. But I took this photo and let me give you another tip. I created this in Facebook. Okay? What do I mean by that? If you're on your phone Facebook has a lot of built-in tools already. It has filters. This text right here, I was able to do right in Facebook. So if I just had a regular photo of me versus this photo, which one are people going to pay attention to? They're going to pay attention to that photo that is stopping their scroll. It's something about it that's making people pay attention. I'm using emojis up here, right? So if you follow nothing else that I said, in addition to the formula, your job when you post is to stop people's scroll. Let's say it one more time for the people in the back. Stop people's scroll. All right. So, let's see. Let me go back to my profile. I don't want to go through my timeline because I want to just kind of show you some other things about stopping people's scroll. Okay, so as you can see, I gave a tip. Hold on, my profile is kind of slow loading. Okay, hold on. Let me go back. Okay, here I gave some inspiration, so I guess that could be whatever. There goes another one of my tips. Let me show you an example of a results post, okay? Again, it doesn't have to be your own stuff. Let's go to my photos. Go to my albums. Okay, so give me a second, guys. It's still loading. I don't know why Facebook is super slow today, but we're gonna roll with it. Okay, so here's an example. We'll use this one as an example because it's up near the top. Okay, so no, we won't use this one. Hold on. Oh, this is a good one. Okay. It's loading. All right, so this is an old one, but this was actually one that got me a lot of people on this webinar. So what I did was I took a photo of people who were in my company, in my group, my team, my company page, and I just made a collage with all of their pictures, including myself. Well, you always want to put yourself in the photo. And I just literally said, gave them a title, online marketer, entrepreneur, retiree. If I knew their story or bits of their piece, or I wanted a profile and I could kind of gather a piece of their story. And I just literally put it together and I said, hey, these people are getting results in our company. If you want to learn how these people are getting, instant money over and over again, join us tonight on this webinar, right? So, again, I put this collage together. It took me 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes. And guess what? The text is stopping their scroll. So when you post, your job as a marketer is to stop people's scroll. Make people pay attention to what you're posting, okay? I'm going to get off of that because I'm tired of talking about that. But that's pretty much that. And that's it about posting. Just make sure that people pay attention. We'll use another example. This was like a results post / lifestyle post. And I talked about, this was a picture of my mom, because she's always my inspiration. She's such a hard-working single mom, and I said she taught me, and I just really talked about how my mom taught me the value of hard work and discipline, and because of her, I was able to build a full-time income from home. So that was another example. Let's use one more. Oh, here's another one. Let me click on this one. So nothing like crazy, but like I treated my mom to lunch, and I got paid while I was out with my mom. And I took a picture of mom, and I took a picture of our food, and I said, hey, lunch is paid for our dinner. I got like several sales from that post, right? So your results do not have to be, oh, I made $1,000, I made like $10,000. Like, show people you're getting results. I did another post where Let's use it where I leverage somebody else's story. Okay, congrats posts are another type of post you can make. Okay, so let's say that somebody in your company just got a sale, or they got a result. Maybe they lost weight or they fixed their credit. You can do a congrats post. Congrats to so and so and so and so. You don't even have to say their last name. You know, she just got whatever XYZ result. She made a $100 commission. She lost 50 pounds. Doesn't she look amazing? You know, want to get your results, or you're ready for blah, blah, blah. Here's my, contact me. It could be, Savella just fixed her credit. She went up 100 points, and you could screenshot, her results and put a picture of her next to it. And you could say, you ready to get your results? Contact me. Whatever. So again, something that makes people pay attention. It don't got to be all pretty and stuff. It just got to make people pay attention. You make all of these in apps that take me like 2 minutes. Okay. And that's it. So again, a results post, you can leverage other people's testimonies. You can use a simple congrats, right? And I would encourage people to do that every Friday and every Monday, at least. Do a congrats post to somebody in your personal team, or your organization that's winning, right? It just shows people and invites other people who are looking for that same solution. Rather be they're looking for better jewelry, they're looking for better makeup, they're looking for more money, they're looking for weight loss. I don't know, whatever result it is, somebody in your organization is getting results. And until you get your own, leverage other people's. All right, I'm done talking about posting. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell if you're watching this on YouTube. And I will see. Oh, and comment below your best takeaway. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.